Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures, so I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner.
So today's a super busy day, and I have people working here, so things might be a teeny bit noisy in the background, so I apologize, but I didn't have enough time to put together a how to trade video, so I just wanted to do a quick normal video. Just wanted to say that Bitcoin had an amazing recovery. This close yesterday was as bullish as it possibly could have been given the circumstances. We closed halfway up our candle. And now, even though we're on the line right now, and it feels like there could be a squeeze, I don't think there'll be a squeeze here. I believe what'll happen is we will do a squeeze here. See what's happening here? We've got this candle here. We found support off of this line here, and it lines up perfectly with these two. So what I think we'll do is we will most likely, now that we've got a little more information, we're probably going to start consolidating and find a move in here. So this is our breakout zone. So where before we didn't have a lot of structure, now we've got a ton of structure. We know exactly where the fail points are. So that will help us going into the future on Bitcoin. So some of you guys in the comments were like, I don't know if we're into an alt season. You're a little early, Calvin. You're a little early. Or we're still consolidating and we will see if we break out. But I would argue that we broke out yesterday, and I'll show you why. This is the line I'm looking at. Top of this green here. Top of these greens. And here would have been our bottom. So this is the bottom of the red. Bottom of the red. So this would have been the triangle. So this is what we were watching. And yesterday's close was an absolute breakout. This is a breakout. When we close outside of the line, it's done. So we got our confirmation yesterday. Today, we are continuing. And I was really curious to see how we'd play with these two lines. I just left them in there to see if anything, significant happens. But this is the swing out of alts towards alt season. And if you look at the others chart, it's less structured. Like, it's not as pretty. But there's top of this green, top of this green. That would have been our candle. So even on the others dominance chart, we definitely had a breakout. So we're in alt season. So it's pretty exciting. Now, I'm not saying that every single trade setup works out perfectly. It can look really good and be very precise all the way in. So you just do the best you can. But when we lose with grace and finesse. All right, crypto is getting pretty fun. We've had some amazing moves in alts lately, and catching them at the right time is so fun. Anyway, loving ADA right now. We have our resistance line. This is our long-term resistance line. We did a video on this a few days ago, but we are right on that line. It was 931 that was our line. So we popped up over, we're currently trading above this swing high, but we're right on that resistance line. So we'll see how we do, but what a great day there. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is breaking above its line. If we could get a close above this, that would be massive. So with Bitcoin showing the strength that it is, and Ethereum doing a solid 7% day. We are on the doorstep of all-time highs for Ethereum, and when that happens, I think we'll have another run. So this is definitely helping change the Bitcoin dominance chart. But the others dominance chart is just kind of doing its own thing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing what's going on there. But I wanted to just kind of clue you guys in on a couple of new other coins that I ended up buying recently. So last night I was working on closing Ethereum Classic. So I did buy a solid position in Ethereum Classic. That one was on my list. A smaller coin that I picked up yesterday was navcoin. I bought this one yesterday. Today we may be breaking out. We might be closing outside of the red zone. So that is an awesome place to be buying in. Another coin that I bought was comp. So this coin here has been it's a little younger, but showing a lot of signs of a turnaround right here. We're butting up against this resistance, but I kind of feel like we may be either breaking it or close. So I went ahead and took that one. And now for everybody's favorite, I bought a position in BSV. I know some of you guys are like, unsubscribing right now. But there are buyers in this market, and this is definitely a show of strength. And we are pretty low compared to where our normal trading has been in the past. So I think there is a good trade on the table here. It would not take much to double this. So that's another one. And then I think I mentioned so Engine and Link. But wow, Link, what a great trade this is becoming. Yesterday we managed to get out of the red zone, which is just an ugly way to do it. When you have a 23% day to get out of the red zone, it's a rough place to buy. You really want to catch it when the 50 has come down to where the consolidation is happening. But you know, this 50 is a big number. When you get above the 50, anything can happen. So we will see how we do. We might need, obviously this is a shorter candle, but still a 5% day. Man, there's just so many good looking coins. I'll be buying quite a few more. I think today is the day. Neo even is positive. Look at this. We're starting to get a pretty nice formation here. If we can retest this high, oh, that's going to look awesome. But I'm most likely going to be finding a position in BAT soon. And Tron's not ready. Let's see. You know what might come up is Steam. Steam might actually be a buy. It's really starting to flatten out. We'll see. This one might be a week out still, but that one's coming up. Somebody in the comments asked about Firo. This one I may be buying today. Either today or tomorrow, but this is great. I love this formation here. So that's on the table. 0x I'm probably buying today. There are so many good looking coins out here. It's going to be a fun weekend. We'll see how everything holds up. KMD, this is probably a buy this weekend. My Zen trade that everyone was like, that's a horrible place to enter. It actually is doing okay. Oh man, I love this stuff. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend. We will catch you on Monday.
Okay, it is time to separate the CoinBook trolls from the CoinBook fans. So, These are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably one or two of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.